Hello students, in this video we will see mathematics of class 9 and its chapter compound interest and this is exercise 2A and its part 2. अगर आपने part 1 अभी तक नहीं देखा है so yesterday only I uploaded it. You can see the part 1 and in that the questions are solved. In this we will solve next questions. So let's start this video. So your first question is written here. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on 6,000 in years at 5% per year. Okay, you have to calculate amount as well as compound interest. आपको दो चीज़ें कैलकुलेट करनी है, अमाउंट कैलकुलेट करना एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है. अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला yesterday I already told you that amount is equal to P plus I. And with the help of this only we are calculating compound interest. Compound interest formula is initial final amount minus principal. Okay, final amount minus principal means this amount at the end of the all year, whatever this amount is coming, and minus the main principal, initial principal, whatever the principal was in the beginning. So initial principal I can write like this, IP. So both this formula we will use. Okay, so let's start. Calculate the amount and the compound interest. The principal is given, so here we have to calculate for 3 years at the rate of 5%. and चूँकि इसका कोई डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं दिया है, so year by year we will calculate. So in solution what we will write? First, for first year, what will be your P? Your P will be rupees 6,000 and your rate will be 5% and your time will be 1 year. For first year means एक ही साल के लिए आप काउंट कर रहे हैं, that time your time will be 1 year. Remember, so calculate simple interest for this. Simple interest formula is principal into rate into time upon 100. How much is your principal? Your principal is 6,000 rupees and your rate is 5 and your time is 1 divided by 100. 0 will get cancelled, 0 will get cancelled. 60 multiply 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. So 300 rupees is coming. Okay, this 300 rupees इज इंटरेस्ट. देखो, जैसे आप बैंक में आप कुछ मनी डिपॉजिट करते हो. सपोज आपने बैंक में 1,000 रुपीज़ 1 जनवरी को डिपॉजिट किया है, ठीक है. तो जब 31 दिसंबर आ जाएगी एंड आफ्टर 31 दिसंबर नेक्स्ट 1 जनवरी विल कम, दैट टाइम यू विल गेट दिस 100 रुपीज़ प्लस सम इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, so your money will become, suppose आपको इंटरेस्ट मिला इस पे 10 रुपीज़, so your money will become 100 plus 10. so for next year this amount will be the principal. अब next year जो 1 जनवरी को आपके अकाउंट में हो जाएगा 110 रुपीज़. now whatever rate you will get, अब आपको 110 रुपीज़ के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा क्योंकि अब आपके अकाउंट में कितने रुपीज़ है? 110 रुपीज़ है. Similarly here also this is the extra amount which bank will give. ठीक है, दिस इज द एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट एंड इनिशियल अमाउंट वॉज योर प्रिंसिपल. सो नाउ व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट? द अमाउंट विल बी प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. प्रिंसिपल इज योर 6,000 रुपीज एंड हाउ मच यू गेट एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर? 300 रुपीज. सो 6,000 प्लस 300 विल बी 6,300 रुपीज. ओके, एंड दिस विल बिकम द प्रिंसिपल. अब ये जो 1,110 रुपीज़ जो आपका अमाउंट था, ये आपका अमाउंट हुआ एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. नाउ जैसे ही 1 जनवरी आएगा दिस अमाउंट विल बिकम एज अ प्रिंसिपल फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. ये अमाउंट जो है प्रिंसिपल बन जाएगा फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. सो नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू फॉर सेकेंड ईयर? For second year this will become your principal. For second year principal will be rupees 6,300, rate will be 5% and time will be 1 year. Okay, we have to calculate for 3 years, so 3 times we will do, remember. So this is we are doing for second year. Apply the formula. Apply the formula of SI. SI formula will be P into R into T upon 100. And what is your P? 6300 is your P. R is 5, T is 1, divided by 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. Multiply 63 into 5. 63 into 5 will be 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31. This much rupees is your interest. This much rupees is your interest. Amount formula is प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. अब नेक्स्ट ईयर में क्या हो जाएगा, जो आपको 110 रुपीज़ थे, ये 100 रुपीज़ आपका 31 दिसंबर को बन गया है 110 रुपीज़. एंड जनवरी में ये एज ए प्रिंसिपल काउंट हो रहा है 110 रुपीज़. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट 31 दिसंबर आएगा, फिर आपको कुछ अमाउंट मिलेगा सपोज, और आपको एक्स्ट्रा जो है 10 रुपीज़ मिला, तो अब आपका अमाउंट जो है 120 बन जाएगा. Similarly here, what was the principal at this year, at the starting of this year? That was 6300. And how much is the interest at this year? 315 rupees. Now add this one, 5 plus 0, 5, 1, 3, 3, 6, 6. This much is the amount. Now this amount will become as a principal for the next year. Now for third year. For third year, principal will be rupees 6615, rate will be 5% and time will be 1 year. Okay. Now again apply simple interest formula for this. What will be the simple interest formula? Simple interest formula will be P into R into T upon 100. It will be equal to P is your 6615 into R is 5 and T is 1 divided by 100. Now आपकी मर्जी है, या तो आप डिवाइड कर दो या फिर डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो हियर आई एम डूइंग सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई. 6615 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 1s are 5 2, 7, 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 6 are 30 and 3, 33. So it will be 33075. And here downside 100 is written. This downside 100 means I can put decimal in this number after two number, means here I will put the decimal. So this will be 330.75 rupees. So my SI is this much rupees. So my amount will be how much at the end of the year? इतना मुझे बैंक ने इंटरेस्ट दिया. एंड इनिशियली कितना अमाउंट था मेरे बैंक में? इतना अमाउंट था. नाउ हाउ मच अमाउंट इज इन माई बैंक? प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. हाउ मच इज द प्रिंसिपल? माई प्रिंसिपल वॉज 6615 एंड इंटरेस्ट इज 330.75. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल डू एडिशन हियर. 6615.00. नथिंग इज रिटर्न मीन्स 0.00. एंड हियर पॉइंट के नीचे ही हम डेसिमल लिखते हैं. इफ यू हैव studied about the addition of decimal. Decimal should be at the downside of the decimal. Here we will write 330 and here I will write 75. Do the addition, it will be 5, 7, 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 3, 9 and here 6. The answer is coming 6915.75. Okay, so in question it was asking that how much is the amount, calculate the amount. So after 3 years this will be the amount. Okay, how you will write the answer? After 3 year amount is 6915.75. You have to calculate compound interest. Compound interest formula is final amount minus principal. Final amount is this one, यानी कि 6915.75 minus principal was 6000 rupees. Okay, do the subtraction. Here only I will do the subtraction. 0 0 5 7 decimal 5 1 9. सो आंसर इज कमिंग 915.75। तो बैंक में आपको आपने 6,000 रुपीज़ रखे तो आपको 3 ईयर बाद 915 रुपीज़ एंड 75 पैसे एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे। ओके, you can note down this solution. Here I am showing the solution which is already written in printed form. Okay, for first year it is calculating, and SI formula or interest both are same. Either you say interest or you say SI. Okay, then amount is calculated. Then after this, return this much. You can pause the video and write. After this we will calculate for second year. This is for second year. For second year we will calculate. For second year, see, this one is shown. Then after second year our money is becoming 6,615 rupees. Okay, then again we are calculating for third year. For third year again we have calculated, the money becomes 6,945. Okay, as I have shown, the final amount is 6,945.75. You can pause the video and write down. Then CI formula is final amount minus initial principal. Your final amount was 6,945 minus 6,000. Answer will be 945.75 rupees. This is your final answer. Now we will solve the next question. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on 8,000 in 2.5 years. Okay, for this also we will solve in simple way only. No need to worry by seeing this 2.5 year. No need to worry by seeing this half. Okay, so start the solution. How we will solve this one? First of all, we will solve for first year. For first year, what will happen to the first year? Principal is rupees 8,000. Rate is 15% and time is 1 year. Okay, and simple interest formula, P into R into T upon 100 is equal to 8,000 into 15 into 1 upon 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. Multiply 15 into 8. 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 8 1s are 8 4, 12, it will be 1200. Okay, so interest is 1200 rupees. What will be the amount? आपके बैंक में इंटरेस्ट मिलने के बाद आपके बैंक में कितना अकाउंट हो जाएगा? ये वाला प्रिंसिपल प्लस ये वाला अमाउंट टोटल आपके बैंक में होगा, यानी कि प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. हाउ मच इज द प्रिंसिपल? योर प्रिंसिपल वॉज 8,000 and how much you got the interest? You got the interest of 1200. Add this one, it will be 9,200. Okay, at the end of the year you will get this much amount. Okay, now see for second year. For second year this amount will work as a principal. अब आपके अकाउंट में 9,200 रुपीज हो गए, उसके ऊपर आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. That's why for second year, for starting of second year, this will become as a principal in your account. प्रिंसिपल कितना हो जाएगा? 9,200 रुपीज. रेट विल बी सेम 15% and time will be 1 year. Okay, now we will calculate simple interest of this. Simple interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. Okay, put the value. 9,200 into 15 into 1 upon 100. 0 0 will get cancelled. Multiply 92 into 15. It will be 1380. So this much interest you got on this much amount. ठीक है, तो आपका अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा? प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. आपके बैंक में शुरू में एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ ईयर कितने रुपीज थे? 9,200 रुपीज थे. ठीक है, एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर आपको बैंक में इंटरेस्ट मिला 1380. तो टोटल आपके बैंक में कितना हो जाएगा? एट दिस वन 0, 8 plus 0 will be 8, 3 plus 2 will be 5, 9 plus 1 will be 10. So at the end of the year this much rupees will be there in your account. ठीक है. After this we have to calculate for next half year. That also we need to calculate. So let's calculate for next half year. So here we will write for next half year. Now see, principal will be 10580 and time will be 15%. Wait, not time will not be 15%. Principal will be 10580 and rate will be 15% and time will be half year. Only this thing will change, that time will be half year. Only this thing will change, that time will be half year. So see how we will calculate simple interest for this. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100, and here P is your 10580 into R is 15 and time is half. So here this is 100 of formula and time you will write like this 1 upon 2, and here between these we will put the sign of multiply. Okay, just you need to remember this half we will write like this. Now do the calculation. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 0. Multiply this 5 2 9 0 15. Here 1 0 will get cancelled with 1 0. Then we will multiply 529 with this 15 and upon 10. 529 into 15 upon 10. How much it will be? It will be 7935 upon 10. And when I remove this 0, it will become 793.5 rupees. Okay. Now this is the interest at the end of the year. How much will be the amount? The amount will be principal plus interest. How much was the principal? Your principal was the 10,580 rupees. And how much is the interest? 793.5. Okay. Now we will add up these two things. Add these two things. How much is coming? Do the addition and try to find out the answer. It will be add up like this 10580.00 and here 793.5. Okay, 0 5.388 16 17, carry 1 8 5 13 1 1. So answer will come 11373.50. This is the amount we have to calculate. Compound interest, this is the final amount. Now we have calculated for all the years. So final amount minus initial principal. Final amount is your 11373.50. And how much is the initial principal? Initial principal is given as 8,000 rupees. So minus 8,000 rupees. So here I will subtract 8,000. Nothing is written means 0.00. So here 8. Here 1 2 3 8.00. Do the subtraction 0 0 0 and here zeros. Here 5 will come, decimal 373, 11 minus 8 will be 3. So here answer will be 3373.50. Okay. So this is the compound interest after 2.5 years. CI after 2.5 years will be rupees 3375 will be rupees 3373.50. Okay, so this is the answer, and you can note down this one. Here is also the solution. See, first in this first is calculated for first year principal, and this n means time. N is nothing, it means time. R, interest is given, interest formula PRT upon 100 and calculated, then amount P plus interest, and it is 9200. Now we are calculating for second year. See, for second year that amount will become as a principal, time 1 year, rate 15%. We have calculated interest, amount becomes 10,580 rupees at the end of the year. Now we have calculated for the next half year, principal is this much, time is half year, and rate is this much. Interest we have calculated 793.50. Amount will be principal plus interest, it becomes 11,000, and CI will be final amount minus initial principal. And see how final amount minus initial principal will be 11,000 minus 8,000, it comes 3,373.50 rupees. Now we will do question number 3. Question number 3, it is again having two parts. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on first part. First we will solve first part only. Here the second part we are not going to solve first. सी, पहले आपको मैंने क्वेश्चन दिखा दिया, पहले आप वीडियो पॉज करके आप खुद से क्वेश्चन ट्राई करके देखिए. अगर आपसे सॉल्व नहीं हो पाता है या फिर आपका आंसर गलत आता है, देन ओनली लुक एट द वीडियो. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट एंड द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन दिस मच थिंग, and here it is saying for 2 years you have to calculate. Okay, you have to calculate for 2 years when the rates of the interest for successive मतलब आपने पढ़ा है previous classes में. what do you mean by successive means if I ask you the successor of 1, so you will say successor of 1 is 2. so it is saying successive year मतलब first year and second year then third year, इसको successive years बोलते हैं. are 10% 12% रिस्पेक्टिवली, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए जो रेट होगी 10% होगी, सेकेंड ईयर के लिए जो रेट होगी 12% होगी. दैट मस्ट इट इज सेइंग. सो आपको रेट कैलकुलेट करते टाइम, रेट लिखते टाइम आपको ध्यान देना है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. ओके, अबाउट दिस सक्सेसिव वर्ड यू नीड टू रिमेंबर while solving the question. Okay, this word is very important. Now start the solution. Now the principal is 4,600 rupees. Okay, and rate is for first year, you are calculating for first year. For first year rate is 10%. Okay, when you calculate for second year, principal you will calculate and rate will be 12%. Okay, so calculate simple interest, and how much is the time? Time is 1 year. Simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. Principal is 4600, rate is 10, time is 1 upon 100, 0 will get cancelled, it will be 460. How much is the amount at the end of the year? It will be 4660 plus 460. Sorry, this is 0 only. Now do the addition. 0, 6, 10, 5. This is the amount. Now this become as a principal for next year. So here the principal is 5060. Okay, now calculate SI. Principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal is 5060 into rate is 12 now, and time is 1 year. Divided by 100, 0, only 1 0 will get cancelled. This is 1, and upon 100, 0 will get cancelled. And I am not calculating with this 10. This I will leave as it is. Multiply this 506 with 12. 12 6 are 40. Wait a minute. 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72 and 12 5 are 60. Okay, and divided by 10. This 10 I will convert this as a decimal, so it will be 607.2. Okay, and now what we will do? After this, what is saying in question? In question it is saying calculate amount. So here we got the interest at the end of the year. Now the amount we will calculate. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. How much is the principal at the beginning? The principal at the beginning was 4600. Principal was this much. For second year, principal is this much. 5060 plus interest is 607.2. Add these things. 5060.00 and 607.20. So 0.27665. So answer will be 5667.20. Compound interest formula is final amount minus initial principal. How much is the final amount? Look, final amount is this only. What is this one? 5667.20 minus initial principal was 4600. So subtract here 4600.00 0.27601. So your answer is 1067.20. Okay, in this video only this much. Okay, rest of the question we will see in next video, because this video is becoming too much long. So this solution you can note down, and I am also showing you the typed solution. From there also you can note down. For first year you will calculate the amount is coming 460, the interest is coming 460, then you will add up this 460 rupees with principal, it will become 5060 rupees. Now this will become as a principal for second year. See, principal rate will be also changed here. Remember, the rate for the second year is 12%. Then calculate the simple interest, it is coming 607.20, and then amount is, do the addition with the principal and interest, you will get the amount. And how you will calculate the compound interest? Final amount means this amount minus initial principal. So you got 1067.20. So amount after 2 years will be this much. Okay, in this video only this much. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. If you wish to see the continuously the questions, do subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notification. Bye bye. See you in the next video.